between can and may. Can. Can is used to talk about ability, to be able to do a task, to be able to do some work. Example sentences. I can swim. Explanation. I have the ability to swim. She can speak English. Explanation. She has the ability or skill to speak English. They can solve this problem. Explanation. They have the ability or skill to solve this problem. He can cook food. Explanation. He has the ability or skill to prepare food. Possibility. It is possible, maybe, perhaps. It can rain today. Explanation. Maybe it will rain. The dog can get scared. Explanation. The dog might feel afraid. This ice cream can melt. Explanation. It might melt if it gets warm. The baby can cry anytime. Explanation. It is possible for the baby to cry. Informal permission. To take permission casually. We use can when we give permission in a casual, friendly, everyday way. Example sentence. You can use my phone. Casual permission. You can sit here. Informal way to allow someone. Can I borrow your pen? Casual way to ask for permission. Can we go outside now? Informal permission request. May. May is used to talk about, used in school, office, and respectful situations. Formal permission, more respectful permission. May I come in? Explanation. A very polite way to ask permission before entering a room. May I use your laptop, sir? Explanation. Shows respect while asking for permission. You may leave now. Explanation. A formal way to give permission. Possibility in the future. We use may when we talk about something that could happen in the future, but we are not 100% sure. It shows a chance probability. Example sentences. It may rain tomorrow. There is a chance of rain in the future. She may visit us next week. Maybe she will come, possibility. I may buy a new phone next month. I am thinking about it, it's possible. Wish or prayer, to give a blessing. To bless someone. Example sentences. May God bless you. A prayer or blessing wishing that God gives you happiness and protection. May you live a long and happy life. A strong wish for someone's good future. May all your dreams come true. A positive wish hoping that all goals and dreams become real. May this new year bring you joy and success. A formal wish or prayer for someone's new year. Some examples. Examples. Can you help me? I can cook food. She can drive a car. Can I borrow your pen? This place can get hot in summer. May examples. May I use the restroom? He may call you later. May I know your name? May God protect you. You may start your test now. If you find this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel.